Hey everyone, welcome back to PlumKrazy Garage. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to install factory sway bar bushes. Your Valiant sway bars come in two different sizes. There was the 22mm for 6-cylinder cars and 24mm for V8s. Don't be fooled by thinking you got one or the other. It's always best to measure before you go purchasing your bushes. Here's a cross-sectional view I prepared earlier. Okay, to remove your sway bar, undo these two bolts in the front of your K-frame, undo the rear sway bar link, and do the same on the other side. You can get this whole unit straight out onto the bench. When you want to replace these bushes, cut a slot in the top to open the bush up. You'll have to get a grinder and grind the weld off on the back side, spread the bush open, fit the new bush, bend it back around, weld it on. If you happen to snap these links as you're pulling the sway bar off, don't worry, we've got a solution for you. So you snap the thread off the top of your sway bar link, doesn't matter. We've got brand new zinc plated links available with heavy duty rubbers. So we've got all the gear here at PlumKrazy Garage to repair your sway bar.